If you're looking to design interactive quizzes and surveys in SuiteDash, you're in the right place. In this quick explainer, I'll walk you through the essential steps to create effective, engaging forums using SuiteDash's built-in tools. Whether you're collecting feedback, gathering data, or simply creating a fun quiz for your audience, this video will show you how to get the most out of SuiteDash. First off, when you log into SuiteDash, you'll need to navigate to the Forms section. This is where the magic happens. Here, you can create both surveys and quizzes. It's important to remember that SuiteDash offers a drag-and-drop form builder, which makes it easy to design without any coding skills. You can add a variety of fields, from text responses to multiple choice options, and even file uploads. But the real power comes from combining these fields into a seamless user experience. Next thing, once you've added your questions, you'll want to make your quiz or survey look polished. This is where customization options come in handy. SuiteDash lets you change the colors, fonts, and layout to fit your brand or personal style. But one thing to keep in mind is that customization options, while decent, aren't as advanced as some other platforms on the market, especially when it comes to more intricate design needs. Still, for most users, the built-in themes and styles will work just fine. Now, the fourth thing you'll need to pay attention to is the logic behind your quizzes and surveys. SuiteDash allows you to create conditional logic, meaning certain questions or fields will appear based on previous answers. This is a great way to make your quizzes or surveys more personalized. However, the logic system could use a bit more flexibility and clarity, especially when you're dealing with more complex survey structures. If you're looking for more advanced logic, some third-party integrations might be necessary. Once your survey or quiz is ready, you'll want to test it to ensure everything works as expected. SuiteDash makes it easy to preview your forum before publishing, which is crucial for catching any issues early. But keep in mind, while the preview feature works, it doesn't always give you the full picture of how the forum will look on different devices or browsers. It's a good idea to test your forums across multiple platforms to ensure a seamless experience for all users. Next, when you're ready to share your quiz or survey, SuiteDash makes it easy to embed it into your website or send it directly via email. They even offer an option to set up automatic responses so users know their submission was received. This is a handy feature, but there's a slight delay in email notifications, which might be frustrating if you're expecting real-time responses. Finally, while SuiteDash has a lot of great features, I do want to be honest about its limitations. It's a powerful tool for managing projects, clients, and workflows, but when it comes to quiz and survey functionality, there are some competitors that might be a better fit for those looking for deeper customization or more robust analytics. So, if you're really focused on creating high-quality interactive content, consider looking into alternatives like Typeform or Jotform. These platforms offer superior design options, more flexible logic, and better integration with other tools. Now, before you go, I've got a special offer just for you. Through our link, you can access an exclusive and extended free trial of SuiteDash, but I also wanted to highlight some amazing alternatives that are even better suited for interactive quizzes and surveys. These tools also come with free trials, so you can test them out risk-free. Be sure to check the first link in the description to grab the best deal for you.